Well, guys, now I'm gonna tell you about how we can update and delete data in database MySQL. Okay, let me ask. You need commands and explanation for creating, sorry, updating and deleting data in MySQL PHPMyAdmin. Okay, now we'll get data. Okay, you can see. Okay, let me open localhost PHPMyAdmin. And again, we had a student table. You remember in previous video, we created this student table. As you can see, we have some a row and we have some data in this row, name, roll number, student, and the time created. Like I want to update this student ID. Okay, how we can do that? Okay, let's first see this chat GPT. It is like if you want to update. Okay, let's go for this SQL. We had a row like update. The first thing, if you want to update anything, we have to give the command update table name. Like the table name is student. Okay, student, and we have to give the set command set and the column name. Like our column is name. Okay, it is asking value. Uh, the value, which value? Like we had a value is like, let me copy this, browse, and we can see I want to change the name, the Rohan name. Okay, let's go for the SQL. Uh, okay, set, we want to set name, and it is asking value 1, column 2 equals to value 2. Okay, now I want you to see this. Okay, let's go on the top and the name of the table where you want to update the data. You have to give that table name where you want to update data. Column 1, column 2. The column you want to update. Like we want to update the column 1, which was name. Okay. Value, the a new value you want to assign to the columns. The new value, a condition. Okay. So name, and we have given this name, as you can see. Call name equals to, okay, set name equals to, and the new value I want to give, like I'm gonna give Roshan. Okay, now the thing is with new value, you can see where condition, we have to give this where condition, where, and RD is equals to 1. Okay, let's give this command go. Okay, we have updated. Let's see, is it updated? As you can see, it's Roshan. Okay, what did I do? Let me tell you. First, what I did, I given this update keyword, which is used to update anything. So update student. Student is basically our table name. Update student, and I said set name means we are updating in name, the row, the column. Set that column name, any column name. Like I want to update the roll number. Okay, roll number, and you have to give the value. Okay, like roll number equals to 1. So I'm giving this time 45, and you have to give the command where and id equals to 1. Okay, let's go this command. Let's go execute this command. Let's see. So now we have roll number is 45, as you can see. So like this you can update, and if you want to update without this much doing anything, you can directly double click here and give anything like 1 again and click anywhere, and you can see again we have roll number 1. Okay, so this is two way to change the value. So now we know how to delete update the data. Like if you want to delete the data, we can say like drop, and we can drop table, drop table like this. You can give table name like student, as I told you, and but I don't want to delete student. Okay, okay, this time let's see another thing. uh we have understand this thing, so we're not gonna learn that again. Okay, we have another thing, delete data in MySQL. As you can see, delete from table name. Uh, yeah, we have another thing also. I forgot to leave. Delete from table name, which was student. Okay, where condition is okay, where column equals to and like ID. I want to delete the column. Okay, okay. Example, let's where ID equals to one. Sorry, where ID equals to like one. If I will execute this command, let's copy this and come on our this page. Okay. So if I'll give this command, then our ID equals to one. It means our number one row will be deleted. Let's try. Okay. And if I click on go, then our row one will be deleted. Now we don't have any data here, as you can see. And what if you have to insert any data? You can click insert, into and table name your student like student, and you can give the column name which where you want to insert like name, and we have roll number. Again we have uh suppose we have okay student ID. Here we want to update. Here we want to insert something. Values. You can give values. Okay. First row will be Dhruv. Okay. Second will be our roll number will be like 45. Okay. Like even 15. And student ID will be 201905 something something. Okay. I hope this is not 10 digit, 10 character long. Okay, let's click on go. It is saying you have error. Check the manual corresponding to Meridian database syntax line number one. Okay, we have some error. Okay, here we had to close this bracket, which we didn't close. Okay, let's click on the go. Now we have successfully inserted, see, Dhruv 15 and this data. So like this, we can also insert data. Previously, I told you about how you can insert data here using this page, but you can also insert data using SQL command, which was that I told you. Okay, let's come here, log into. Okay, we understand this. So now you know how to create data, which was insert data, update data, delete data, uh, CRUD, CRUD. Okay, what if you want to read data? We can use select command, select star from student, and if you will run this command, you will get the data of the student table, all the data. Okay, let's click on go. Now you can see it directly forwarded us here. Okay, like let's go to this here. I will select star from student where ID equals to 1. Okay, it will give all data the where ID is equals to 1. Uh, Here you can see we don't have any ID of 1. And why we don't have any ID? As you can see, we have ID 2 because we had deleted ID 1, which was Rohan. We deleted that. Okay. Uh, let's create another. Let's create another data. Insert into student, and we will give insert into student, and we will give the row name, column name, name, and maybe roll number, and maybe student ID. Okay. And we're gonna give values, and first value will be okay. Suppose maybe Ayush. Okay. And roll number will be 17 or maybe 20, 28, 7 something something. Okay. And student ID should be anything like 2018 something something. Okay. Let's close this and execute this. Okay. we have inserted successfully number row number 3. Okay, I want only row number 3. I want to read row number 3. Okay, I will say write select star from students where ID equals to 3. I want to get the serial number 3 ID. Only that. I will click on the go, and now you can see we have ID 3, which is Ayush, roll number 27, and data. Okay. Here, but in this case, what we did, we said select star. But what if we want only one data? We don't want all data. We can set select and name from select name from student table where ID is equals to 3. Okay, now we are only asking for name, not all data. So we will get only name, which is, as you can see, name is Ayush. So row number 3 name is Ayush. So this is how you can get data. This is read, update, create and delete. Okay, let's do all operation in one time. We are creating data. Okay, let's insert into, we have already that, and we are changing the values this time. Okay, let's put, Ayushi and 15 roll number, and student IDs would be 202145 something. Okay, now I want to, you can give semicolon here. Okay, I want to also read this data. I will say select star from students students student where I will say where name is, I want to search where name is equals to, and I'll write Ayushi. If there would be any name from Ayushi, it will give that data. Even then, I will say, okay, let's run this command, this two command right now. Okay, duplicate entry and roll number 15 for each roll number. Okay, it's saying duplicate entry. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have already 15. Okay, it doesn't matter. Insert into student. Okay, is roll number 15 unique? Okay, it's unique indexed. Okay, we can choose different. Even we can delete this instead of group. Okay, right now let's run this two queries. Okay, now we have successfully inserted data and it is showing us that data. We got a name of Ayushi, and as you can see, it has checked there Ayushi, the rectangle, square. Okay, whatever. So we get the data successfully. Okay, now we create and read. We did these two operations. Like right now, I want to update the data. Okay, update and update student. Okay, like update the student, and let's see the data where what was that. As you can see, update table name and set. We can set the data like update student and set. And what I want to set, like the maybe student ID. Okay, student ID equals to, and what we want to set right now, we have to set like student ID is 202143 something. Okay, and okay, let's set, and again we have to select the data. Select uh okay, select star from student where student ID is equals to 202143. Okay, it is saying that if we have any data in student table where student ID is 202143, it will give all data. Star means all. When we use star, it means we are selecting all data. Star is universal, all. Remember, star is used for all. Okay, let's go. So as you can see, we have data. Previously, we had, Ayush. We had data 202143. We have two data actually in student ID 202143 and Ayush. Okay, let's check here. Okay, we have Ayush table here. Student ID is also 202143 and Ayushi 202143. So We understand how we can create data. Let's delete. We can drop. Okay, and drop maybe data we want to drop. So drop. Uh, how can we drop? Let's leave the command. Let me check what was the row. Okay. So we suppose we want to drop row number 3. Okay. Drop student. Maybe okay. Let me ask to drop. Yeah. Like okay. Okay. Drop from student. Like I want to drop from the student table where uh ID is ID is equals to 1. Okay. Why we are getting this error, right? Okay. Drop from student. It's right. I don't think we should get error, but okay. Expression near from position 5. Okay. SQLite. Got it. Okay. To delete user ID 1. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Like we want to delete. Drop keyword is used for drop, table and database. Like if we want to delete data, that's why I was thinking why we are getting error in for from. Like if you want to delete any data, you have to use delete keyword instead of drop. When you want to drop table or database, you can use drop keyword. But when you want to drop any data in table, then you have to use delete, you know. So delete. And now if we were using one, then we will get error again because we don't have any row one. As you, if I click here, okay, as you can see, no, nothing changed because we didn't add any data in one row number 1. We have to use row number 3. ID equals to 3. Then the IOs will be no more. Okay, and if I go here, as you can see now we have only this data row number 5 because we had also deleted row number 4. So now we have one row only, which is ID 5, and that is Ayushi 15 row number 202143. So we understand how you can do CRUD operation, create, read, update, and delete the data in MySQL. In upcoming video, we will see more about MySQL, PHPMyAdmin. But for now, that is it. So let's make a video later. I don't think I can make videos soon because I have my examination soon. So bye bye guys, take care.